We're in the lobby of Peter's Billiards, and I think this is Bloomington, Minnesota. Super cool, like 3-floor furniture store. Look at this. Get this really cool glass Schindler 330A. So let's take on a ride. There's exterior indicators. Go to 2. And here we go, we'll look out the window. Here are 2. There's Highway 35W in Minnesota 62. Features COP 2,500 pound capacity. Schindler HT VR buttons on the inside with an ADA phone right there. Interesting, as normal HT on the inside, like the lantern. It's like a mix of normal and VR. Very cool cab, even though it's kind of basic. I love how it's all glass. And makes this thing super cool to ride. Or a G, look at that. I can take one more spin. Here's a view of the shaft. I thought this was rope hydraulic at first for a minute, but it's not. It's sold in 2005. Now we can look out this way. Watch the number change. Here we go. Whoa. That was weird. 2. Go and edit on G. It's really nice to have exterior lanterns in every floor. You can see into the lantern there. Here we go down. Peek out this way. There's not much to see this way either. This is really cool for a 330A. I haven't been on this in a very long time. It's been a very long time since I've been here. Or G. I can send it up. See, just normal HT out here. Ready, there it goes. Watch that change. There's the machine room. There it goes. Look at that, you can see the hydraulics moving really good. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. That is cool. Alright, Ian, that's gonna be it.